Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the install path for League of Legends. So first, you just have to go to your search menu and then type League of Legends, and then go or click this open file location, tap this one. It will take you directly to this. Now click this arrow facing up to see or locate the Riot Game folder. So click Riot Game folder, right click to be exact, and then scroll down, click this card, click this PC, and then locate that specific drive or location where you want to transfer your League of Legends. So for example, if you want to save this or install this again to your desktop or to your documents or downloads, everything is up to you. Another thing is that you can reinstall and install this League of Legends again. Once you reinstall this one, or if you want to reinstall it again, you have to go to any web browser and type League of Legends download. Click the very first one here. Go to download for Windows if you're using Windows. And then after that, you have to go to your download folder once done. Now, right click, run as administrator. And then here, before you install this League of Legends, you have to click this advanced options. Click this folder and then locate or tap that specific path or location where you want this League of Legends to be installed. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.